Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a tour through Beverly Hills in St. Andrew, Jamaica. We are on Monroe Road heading towards Beverly Drive, and then we'll take Beverly Drive into Beverly Hills. So we're going to turn left on Beverly Drive now, and this will take us up into Beverly Hills. Now Beverly Hills is one of the top neighborhoods in St. Andrew and one of the top neighborhoods in Jamaica. The hill is actually named Beverly Hills, and it has a lot of very nice homes, some of the larger homes in Jamaica. It overlooks the city of Kingston, so you have a very nice view up here. All right, so we're going up Beverly Drive, and you'll see some of the homes as we drive through the neighborhood. Now, Beverly Hills is probably most popular in recent times because a lot of celebrities, a lot of politicians live in the area. The Prime Minister of Jamaica has a very nice home in Beverly Hills. We actually have other videos up, but we're not going to point out anybody's home because persons have indicated that or have asked or mentioned that we should not point out individuals' homes. However, just to note, because somebody had left a comment recently about it, the Prime Minister's home was on the front page of the newspaper. It was very popular. It was a very popular topic of debate during one of the elections. So a lot of persons know the house, know where it's located, but we're not going to point out any specific home. All right, so this is the Beverly Hills area. I'm not sure what the houses up here go for now, so if anybody knows how much the houses in this area cost, you can leave a message in the comment section and let us know. But it's one of the more expensive neighborhoods in Jamaica. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe and leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.